Now the nightingale neither warbles nor sings, and the oriole doesn't whistle. In gardens or in forests, neither yellow nor blue flowers appear. And yet joy and song are born in me and grow while I'm away. For they don't come to me as they used to when I'm asleep. For my lady licks that I part from sadness, and I shall be rather foolish if I do not remain with her forever, since she destroys my fiercest grief, so that neither trouble nor anguish can harm me, nor the suffering, great or small, afflict me. For my body almost escapes me, there isn't squirrel nor rodeo, as light-footed as I am, for in my mind is the joy I was seeking. Wherefore I am merry and frisky, and I shall be all alien, for my lady wants my improvement. And not even the swarm of the felon, false, flat-cheeked slanderers, may God destroy them, frightens me in the least. If my lady captures me and binds me for more than 1,000 years, completely to her service. For I don't let my lust sway me towards someone else. Resisted the 40 days, because of which this land of mine is crystallized. Never give me as a gift or loan anything more if he was peeper her for me. Rather I'll leave him as compensation this world and 1,000 times as much, in exchange for her who purges me of all deceits and down.
I believe it, now I imagine that I'm bracing and kissing you.
Oh, with your heart entering mine,
I know that you take away,
for I know that you don't wish to give me, lady whom joy nourishes and clothes, all the deception that I, alas, used to suffer. You graciously took it away, Saint John.
now my lady, now I imagine that I'm bracing and kissing you.
Ah, worthy lady,
Now my desire mounts in me,
whoa,
wherefore I'll
fall to the ground fainting.